Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will finish my hand wheels for the carriage and cross slider and compound slider and the tailstock. I did long times ago, but I never finished. I actually use only my hand wheel temporary. So right now it's time to make hand wheels, make me easy to control and then can moving around and faster than the old ones, because the old one I feel not that smooth. But right now I try to do this and I hope it's working very well. So I use the same hand wheels, but I just smooth or I just milling and I cut it and I put the hand on the wheels, easy to control as I move. Maybe the next step I will to put put the misers on the wheels, because I can control how far I can do this. So I hope I can work with this. So right now it's time to me to smooth the wheels, and this wheel it's around a hand 10 millimeters. Is 10 millimeters. So this is I can do this, and right now I can smooth it. So it's work. Yes, it's work. And I will drill it and I put the hand wheels on it. This is a quite long video. Sometime I make a shorter, or sometime I make longer, and then I hope you can understanding, because maybe you can do much better than me. So this is maybe sometime it's not running perfect, because I still make something wrong, especially the carriage can moving, or the bed moving or support the carriage. So maybe soon I will do the new bed and support the carriage, because right now it's working, but sometimes when a tiny metals stuck on the bed, and then the carriage is running is not that smooth. It's sometimes it's stuck. Maybe next time soon I can do the new bed on it, because the old bed is really flat. I just put the carriage on it. So like this make me like disappointed, because not running at that smooth. You can see this one is just running on the bed really smooth and flat. So sometimes it's running working good, sometimes it's running not good. When it's not good when a tiny metal it drop on the bed, and then I didn't wash it, I just keep on it. So when a carriage running on it, carriage is not running as smooth, sometimes it's stuck. So otherwise I thinking I will make a new bed on it, and this bed maybe I can make like a professional bed, or the professional lace as I do. And then some people they asking me about the compound slider and the cross slider, because actually the professional lace they use only one, put the carriage put on the bed, and then just put the cross slider and then compound slider. But I do different. I use the carriage, and on the carriage I use the compound slider, and I use a piece of metal put on it, and then I can moving. But this one I like this because this lathe is not that big, it's very small. So otherwise I can put one metal put on the cross slider, and then I use 4 bowl put on it. This bowl can block the metals on it, and sometimes if I cut the big pieces, I just move bowls, and then I can move the piece metal on the cross slider in and out, or I can go left and right what I want. But I think this really easy for me because this is a small or mini lathe. I can do this. I hope you are enjoying my video. Even this one not really like a professional, but this is can working for me for next step. So this is maybe not that good because this is homemade lace, but I try do the best. If you have any suggestion or you have any question, you can let me know, or comment, or whatever you can if you have any question. Yes, I'm sorry, for my speaking English because I'm not really a professional English. I just know how to speak. I feel right now a bit better for my speaking, a little bit faster than, because last time I speak so slow because I never had done lace before. Sometime like some name lace I'm not sure how to use. So right now I start to know step by step. Thank you very much for your looking.